Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Ruben Singh. You already know me by now, and today I'm here with another student of ours. This is Yash Thakur. Let's have an introduction with you, Yash.
Hi everyone, my name is Yash Thakur and I have been a student here for the past few months and my experience here has been really fruitful. And I'm a student of BLLB at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies at Pitampura. So that's a brief about me.
All right. So you're a law student.
Yes,
I see. Do you think the trainings that you have received at WabsTalk will help you in your law journey?
yes sir. So the trainings that I received here are really relevant to a career in law as it helped me improve my communication skills, my confidence, and my public speaking skills, all of which are essential for presenting a client in court, negotiating effectively, and expressing your views confidently.
All right. And what do you like about the classroom activities? What was the thing that you like the most?
So there are various activities that take place in the class. The one that I liked the most was the public speaking sessions, as it helped me realize that you don't need rich vocabulary or difficult phrases to win a speech. All you need is a clear understanding of how to communicate with the larger audience.
I see. And how did you like speaking before 100 people for the very first time?
So I was really nervous at the start, but with regular practice and feedbacks from Sir, I learned how to manage large audience and express my views clearly. So by the end of this journey, I can now give speeches to a larger audiences very confidently and very clearly.
All right. And would you recommend your friends?
Yeah, totally. I would recommend this institute to my friends as I also brought my friend here before I joined here and he has also improved a lot.
All right. Okay. Anything that you would like to say about WabsTalk, about your teachers, whatever you would like to say.
So I would like to say that the teachers here are very friendly and very supportive. If you make mistakes, it's good because if you make mistakes here, then you will learn and you will not mistake outside. And the teachers here don't judge, and the students also here are very supportive.
All right. Thank you so much for this
Thank you.
feedback and this conversation. I hope you have a wonderful journey as a lawyer. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you
you,
so
sir.
much again.